Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautifullove4ever, aka Tay. Thanks for joining me. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I already primed my eyes, and now I'm just taking the orange shadow out of the Juvia's Play Zulu palette and putting it in my crease. And I'm also going to put it in on the first part of my eyes, like on the inner part of my eyes. Next, I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Lost in Los Angeles eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to take those two shades and put those on my lids right next to the orange shade. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all, so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. So I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the thumbs up button as well as comment, because I would love to hear from all of you. For lashes, I'm using the Ioni Crisscross Full Dye Lashes and the House of Lashes Eyelash Glue. Now I'm using the e.l.f. Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in Disco Queen, and I'm just going over that orange that I have on my lids. I just want to add a little something extra to my eyes. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. For my primer, I'm using the Touch and Sol No Pore Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the e.l.f. Orange Camo Color Corrector. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just putting this the same place where I put the orange corrector at. And then I'm going to set it with the LA Girl Pro Setting Powder in Peach. For foundation, I'm using the Uma by Sharon C Skin Perfecting Foundation in Bronze Venus T5. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that concealer is setting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark to bronze my face as well as contour my nose. Now I'm using the ABH setting powder in Deep Peach to set where I had that concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. Next, I'm using the Lemon8 Healthy Hue Blush in So Peachy, and this is a new blush for me, so I definitely would recommend it. It's great for springtime, it's affordable, it comes in multiple shades, so yeah, I would definitely try it if you're looking for a new blush. Now I'm just going to go back in that same palette I used and use that shade to highlight. For lips, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie and the Essence Lip Gloss in Sparkling Purple. To set my face, I'm using the Milk Makeup Pore Eclipse Matte Setting Spray. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this springtime makeup look that I did. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment, because I would love to hear from you all. And if you have any suggestions for makeup looks, please let me know so that I can do them. Also, everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as on my social media handles. So I appreciate each and every one of you watching. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.